Welcome to tdsb UDL presents How to Use Headings in Google Docs Part 4, Stylizing Your Documents. My name is Michael Barltrop. You can find me on Twitter at Mr. Barltrop or at my website, whatbinder.com. Notice at the bottom of the screen is Control-Alt-Number. Those are the hotkeys to apply headings to your document. In our last video, we looked at how to apply colors and bars and boxes and underlines, all sorts of wonderful things. But it can start looking like a mismatch. You may not be a graphic designer, but don't worry. There are easy tools available for you to bring your document together and make a style all your own. The website coolors.co, coolors.co, allows you to come up with unique color schemes at the push of a space bar. Each time I push space, it changes to something else. When you start to see something you like, you can stop for a moment. You can lock that color in and watch as the others change around it. You can start locking more, and it'll always be a color scheme that makes sense and applies. So we're going to take a look at one color scheme here and think about how can this apply to our document. At the bottom you'll see the hashtag and some letters and numbers. This is a hex code for the color. So I like this orange as my original main bar. So I right clicked it and I copied it. You could also just write it down, FFAD05. I'm going to go to my heading number 1. Go back to Format, Paragraph Styles, Borders, and Shading. We know how to do this. And I'm going to paste in that code, click OK, click Apply, right click, Update to Match. And there it is. That orange has been applied to my entire document. I'm going to use this one as my second bar, so 7CA FC4. Alright, we're going to Format, Paragraph Styles, Borders and Shading. Apply that. Update heading number 2 to match. Now we're going to take a look at what else do we need. We have this box here. Kind of already matches with that orange. But is it the same orange? I'm not sure. Let's go to Format, Paragraph Styles, Borders and Shading. And here for our border color, we're going to need to add the hex code. We'll go back here and copy it. We'll paste it in. OK. Apply. And now we have this matching. For our underline, we might want something similar, but a little bit different. I think I'm going to use this one for our underline here. So I'll copy it, go up here, Format, Paragraph Styles, Borders and Shadings, add a new color, paste it in, apply, update to match, and I'll also use that on my heading 5, Format, Borders and Shading. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger while I'm in here. And now because I've just used this color, it's in my custom color menu. I can just add it and apply it. Maybe it would make more sense, because that text is a little bit lighter, to make the border a little bit lighter. So we will use this one here for that. Format, Paragraph, Borders and Shading. Paste that on. Update to match. We'll see all of our headings are being modified down here as well. This stands out, so we can change our colors, and we can see that our custom colors are all saved everywhere there's color. So when we change our font color normally, we can use that deep blue and update our title. We can change this to our lighter blue, update subtitle. I think this is a little bit too big. Update title to match. And now, all of a sudden, we have a document with a color scheme. What do we do with this? Well, if we want to use this in another document, we could of course make a copy of this, or we could go to Options and click Save as my default styles, or use my default styles to bring it up in a previously created document. So very quickly, I'm going to click Use My Default Styles because this is something I made for this video. When I apply my default styles, there is some slight differences. I am partial to the orange and blue though. We can see here the boxes are a slightly different color, the underlines are different. Our heading 6 example isn't indented. So all of these small little differences change from style to style. So once you have a style that you like, this is confusing, but this did not update as title. You can simply go here, Options, Save as my default style, and then you're good to go. Every document you make in the future will look exactly like that.